name's Josh Fischer. My role here at Novatech is Client Services Manager. So my team consists of the technical account managers, and we are the face of Novatech to the client. My experience is a lot of firms are essentially firefighters. They get called when the alarm's coming off. They will be dispatched, they'll fix the problem, and they are the IT guy or gal. That's not us. We are a partner, and there's a lot of collaboration that needs to happen between my team and the client. So I think that's the differentiator between Novatech and a lot of competitors, is that we have a very precise, fleshed out process for being able to collaborate with the client. The greatest satisfaction of being a partner to our clients is putting their mind at ease when it comes to technology. Asking them the question, why do you do something this way? And then probing further and saying, well, is that how it should be done? And then sitting down with the client and road mapping and saying, there might be a more efficient way to save you time and money and empower your employees. It's a lot of gratification there to be able to sit down with a C-level and look eye to eye to them, and they trust you. Being able to sit down with them and say, remember when we were at day one here and it took your employee 4 times as long to get to the data that they needed, and now they can work from anywhere in the world? That's pretty rewarding.